So many people have been asking me, how do you get that all done in your 2 hour workday? Well, my best friend ChatGPT helps me get that done. For some of you, you may know ChatGPT. It's just a form of AI. You've heard that buzz out there, right? Automated intelligence. It is awesome. It does all the heavy lifting for me, and then I just have to go create the content based on the outlines it gives me, the ideas it gives me, and all that good stuff. So you can see I simply use this prompt here. The only thing I change out is how many YouTube shorts I want and how many social media posts I want. Obviously, I change out what I want the topic to be about. So this one I did starting an online business for busy parents, right? But you can see here, it creates everything that I need right here. And then once I hit the enter, I basically took this, I pasted in this area here. So it looks like so. All right. And then I chose search and reason, so it gives it a little bit more thought to it. I can actually deselect those. It's even faster. If I hit this, you're going to see what happens here. So script and talking points. Boom. Think you need 8 hours a day to start an online business? Think again. I know how you feel between kids, work, and life. There's never enough time. Look at this. There's my video right there. Boom. All I got to do is get in front of the video, create it. Here it is right here. Phone. Boom. Just start hitting record. You're going to suck, right? But there's no reason to be afraid of it because you're going to get gooder and gooder, as I like to say. So the cool thing about this is I need a social media post to go with it. Well, gave me 3 different social media posts that I can use to go with this video, right? And look at it, even comes with hashtags because I told it to create hashtags for me. Guys, that's it. I create that content and I'm done for the day. Then all I do from there is I engage. So I go and comment, I return emails, and the other time that I have left, I spend it on posting free ads and learning more about my business, growing my skill set, becoming a better me, right? So I can offer more value to you and my community, but most importantly, to my family, right? So with that, if you have any questions, please let me know. Until then, guys, take care. Hope this video will help you in seeing the light that there is a better way. You don't have to grind anymore. It's an easy tool to use, and you'll love it. And I can't wait to hear your feedback on how you're using it in your digital marketing business. If you'd like a proven blueprint, go ahead and hit ready in the comments, and I'll get that to you ASAP. Take care.